this is my 10th session and this is my first day taking creatine. So, pinump ko po muna yung muscles ko for 9 days and then saka po ako uminom ng creatine. So, for the meantime, yun po muna yung iinumin ko. Uubusin ko muna 5,000 and I think 60 servings po yun. Pero based doon sa instructions ng creatine is kailangan daw um, 5 milligrams per take and then kailangan 4 takes in a day for the first 5 days. So, titingnan natin kung ano magiging result. So, ito po ngayon, nag-shoulder press po ako, dumbbells and shoulders. And then, back po yung program ko ngayon. And then, by Monday, next video po, try po naman, body bench press naman po ako by next session. So, yun lang po. See you sa next video.